if you ever call those lines, then that's what they're like.
No, we've never called those lines. Hiccup. And she giggles. Was that a fart?
Fart on your face, bitch. That is not a fart.
Oh my god, do it. I'd love it.
Borderline gay again.
She's gonna sit on my face and fart. I'm down with that.
Her entire crotch would be around this area.
Yeah.
And around my-
Okay.
In or around my
Only
face.
more than fart on your face.
What else did you do? Let's get into this
Brian's
conversation.
like, hold on.
Would that be a quiff?
Oh my god, was that a burp?
No, it was a little, poor little hiccup. Poor little sweet baby.
Shh, be dead quiet. Oh.
Hiccup?
Oh my god, y'all are back here.
You sound like elephant, little hiccup. There we go, there it is.
I think he's videoing you.
Absolutely not.
My mom knows where you live, Joe.
Come on, say my full name and address.
Joseph.
I
My mom knows where you live.
know where
Fuck
mom lives.
nachos the rest of your life.
Come on, you can't deny me nachos the rest of my life.
I will do it. I will do it.
You can't.
Video that.
She's going at it.
That's what he said.
You know, if you drink your glass. Bro.
Y'all are mean.
Hiccup.
Hey, walk away again.
I like that.
Yeah, do it again.
Don't record me, bitch.
Wait. Did I just
So
completely
mean.
call the wrong